Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Daphne, and today we are going to review a product from TikTok, and it is the hair dryer volumizer. So I know you guys have heard about the Revlon one-step hair dryer, so I have already tried it. It's on sale for $41, I believe, but then I found a cheaper product on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below, and it just functions the same as the Revlon one-step hair dryer, so I'm gonna be showing you if it works, and yeah, a short demonstration, so I'm gonna speed it up. If you want to know how I use this dryer, keep on watching. So this dryer, you don't actually have to detangle your hair because it has this bristles that can already detangle it for you, so you can use it wet, or you can use it on your wet or dry hair, whatever, but it did work for me for wet hair. So far I like this product. It's easy, it speeds up the blow drying hair time for my hair, and then yeah, it's just easy. So it has this, you just plug it in, it has this different modes, the low, middle, and high. I just used the middle in this tutorial because I don't want it too high because my hair is color treated, so I don't want it to be damaged too much by heat. So I just used the middle, and it still did work. So thumbs up for this product. and I can see myself still using it every day. So, and yeah, just click on the link below to find this product. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any other requests, and I'll see you again next time. Have a good one. Bye.